Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Mirror Clips is probably one of the most versatile and reliable solutions for hanging mirrors of various sizes and weights, ensuring a secure and damage-free installation. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting and using mirror hanging clips, from understanding different types and materials to mastering the perfect installation technique for a flawless finish. Number 5. Tatuo Mirror Hanging Kit. Effortlessly hang your mirrors and artwork with our new kit. It's designed for a secure and invisible hold. These clear clips and screws hold up to 25 pounds. They're virtually invisible once installed. Perfect for mirrors, paintings, and plaques up to 1 4-inch thick. It's ideal for various home decor items. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Simply attach the clips, screws, and anchors. Made from clear plastic, they blend seamlessly with your decor. They're built to last, ensuring a long-lasting hold. Each kit contains 20 clips, 20 screws, and 20 wall anchors. Everything you need to hang multiple items. What we like? If you need an invisible solution for hanging lighter mirrors and you're on a budget, this is a great option. Its clear design ensures it blends seamlessly with your decor. The strong hold keeps your mirror secure, making it perfect for smaller mirrors in bathrooms or entryways. What people say? They are sturdy, they hold the mirror in place, and provide a great support for the glass. Works great on heavy mirrors if you have a stud you can screw into. My mirror weighs about 60 pounds and large enough to have 2 studs behind mirror. Used 8 brackets to put mirror up and mirror is solid against wall. They are super steady and was easy to use. Number 4. Blulu Mirror Hanging Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a professional-looking mirror installation. It's easy to use and comes with plenty of clips, screws, and anchors. You'll receive 20 mirror clips, 20 screws, and 20 anchors. That's enough to handle all your hanging projects, big or small. These clips work great for mirrors and glass on cabinets, doors, or walls. Their clear color blends seamlessly with your existing decor. The clips are made of sturdy, lightweight plastic, while the screws are metal for a secure hold. They're built to last. Just drill holes, attach the clips in mirrors, and tighten the screws. It's a quick and straightforward process. Each clip measures approximately 21 millimeters and is designed for 6 millimeters glass. Double-check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. What we like? If you're looking for a versatile solution to hang mirrors in various locations, this is a great choice. It's reliable and easy to install, perfect for hanging mirrors on cabinets, doors, or walls. The simple design makes it suitable for various home decor styles. What people say? I used them to hold a mirror up and they worked perfectly. They also look good on the wall. The product is easy to install, and is not big so it does not look noticeable. Holds the mirror in place and has not appeared to move. My mirror frame broke. I bought these and fixed the plain mirror to the wall. Lots of manual screwing but works fine. Number 3. Mirror Holder Clips Kit. This kit comes with everything you need, 22 clips, screws, and anchors. It's perfect for all your mirror hanging needs. They're made from high-quality, durable plastic and alloy, ensuring long-lasting use. These are built to last. Simply drill holes, attach the clips, and tighten the screws. Installation is quick and easy. Use them for mirrors, photos, paintings, or anything else you want to hang securely. They're incredibly versatile. The transparent design means they're practically invisible, preserving the look of your framed items. They won't detract from your decor. These clips provide a strong and secure hold, keeping your items safely in place. You can trust them to do the job. What we like? If you're looking for a discreet and high-quality solution, this is the one for you. Its durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. The discreet design means it won't detract from your mirror's beauty, ideal for showcasing elegant mirrors in any room. What people say? I have some paintings done on thin wood panels. A few are weird sizes and I didn't want to pay a ton of dollar to get a custom frame, so I thought I'd give these a try. Thankfully, they worked perfectly. I have experience hanging things, so I found them easy to use. Hold mirrors on walls very good. I bought a new mirror and I needed some holders to hang it. These worked great. Number 2. National Hardware N260-380 Mirror Holder. Tired of visible screws ruining your mirror's look? This holder provides a clean, seamless mount for your mirror. It's the perfect solution for a polished, professional look. It's built to last. The sturdy steel construction ensures it can support your mirror securely and reliably for years to come. Installation is a breeze. It comes with anchors for quick and easy mounting, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Say goodbye to unsightly screws. Its clever design keeps the mounting hardware completely hidden, giving your mirror a clean, modern look. Perfect for any interior space. It's ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, or any room where you want a sleek, professional look. It's incredibly strong. With a safe working load of 50 pounds, it can easily support even your largest and heaviest mirrors. What we like? If you have heavy mirrors and need a strong, concealed solution, this is perfect. Its heavy-duty design ensures your mirrors are safely secured. The concealed screws maintain a clean, polished look, ideal for larger mirrors in living rooms or hallways. What people say. Hung a 24 by 40-inch mirror. Looks nice. Easy to install. The screw holes are beveled so the screw head can sit flush. Seems sturdy enough. The hidden mirror holder shipped out and arrived on time. It says it's 1/4 inch, it's not, it's 3/8. When used with most mirrors that are 1/4 inch, there is a gap. We purchased these to mount a roughly 4 by 6 foot mirror. With 3 on top and bottom, it's not going anywhere. They're super easy to install and, as you can see from the video, once the mirror is mounted in the bottom, and hardware is mounted for top, you can simply slide the locking piece in to secure it. Number 1. Metal Mirror Clips Kit. This kit provides a secure and easy solution for hanging your mirrors. It's perfect for both home and commercial use. Made from durable Japanese alloy steel, these clips are corrosion resistant and built to last. They can easily support heavy mirrors. You'll receive 6 clips, screws, and anchors, everything you need for a professional installation. It's a comprehensive and convenient package. Installation is a breeze. Simply drill holes, insert the clips, and tighten the screws. Multiple clips can be used for extra security. These clips are ideal for mirrors, but also great for other items like picture frames or billboards. They're suitable for various settings, from bathrooms to offices. Looking for a practical and thoughtful gift? These clips are a great choice for friends, family, or anyone who needs a reliable way to hang their mirrors. What we like? If you need a heavy-duty solution for large, heavy mirrors and want a stylish look, this is ideal. Its robust construction and stylish black finish add a modern touch to your decor. The durable material ensures long-lasting use, perfect for gyms, studios, or commercial spaces. What people say. Great product, sturdy, matte-looking finish and came with everything you need to install. Easy to install. Very good quality, my mirror is mounted and super sturdy. Use these to hang a mirror in my gym and just as described. They are really sturdy and easy to use. Really like that they are a little bigger than most mirror hangers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.